Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to unmute people or your friend or your team member from your conversation in Microsoft Teams. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to connect to your Microsoft Teams account, either using the web portal, or you can just connect with your Microsoft Teams account using your desktop application. After that, you will need just to follow these simple steps. So here I am in the chat navigation pane or in the chat menu. So here are all my conversation in Microsoft Teams. So basically now I'm going to mute this person so I can show you how to unmute them. So the first thing that I'm doing is to click on this 3-point action button or menu, and I'm going to click on it. Basically, as you can see, there is an option that is called mute. So now this person is muted, and whenever it is sending me or mentioning me or tagging me in the conversation, it won't send some notification, won't be sent by Microsoft Teams. So now if you want like to unmute this person, all you need to do is to reverse the operation. So basically we are going to the 3 points action or the 3 point option button, and we click on it, and here we will find the unmute button. When you are going to click on it, our person will become unmuted, and now we are going to receive the notifications again of its messages, tagging, and everything concerning this specific conversation or specific chat. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.